guys, welcome back to another video of the D Squad, and today we will build a boat to survive. By the way, I'm Jersey or Cloudy.
I'm Abby. I'm Sammy.
And today we have
Where's it?
Everyone's favorite member, June.
Yes, June.
Go.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Who built that?
Me.
Destroy that.
No.
Destroy.
My money.
Don't jiggle jiggle.
What is this?
Okay, it's time to make a golden toilet. I'm gonna make a golden toilet.
I'm gonna make a rocket. I'm gonna
Nice.
make a house. I hope it works because.
Make a golden toilet.
Okay, I'm just gonna make a house.
Everyone has 2 minutes to finish your golden toilet.
No, wait. Sorry.
If you don't finish your golden toilet, I am sorry to pronounce that.
No, I'm not doing golden toilet.
I mean, if everybody doesn't finish their build by 2 minutes, then I have to lunch.
No.
Hello. June, what are you building?
A throne.
Oh, a king throne. Alright, alright. No, I only have 4,000 left. Oh my god.
I only have 8,000 left.
Bro.
And sorry for the back.
Yup, sorry for background noises. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and put that notification bell on.
And smash all of my heart.
Yeah, smash Abby's heart. We'll smash Abby's heart.
Bro.
Alright, let's put titanium around. Bruh. This is not Minecraft.
Yeah, I wish it's Minecraft.
No, it won't be Minecraft.
There. I finished.
You finished already?
Bro.
Yeah, I finished my golden I'm just gonna paint it and then
Oh, wait. Sorry.
I'm gonna paint my golden toilet.
Wait, how much is the time?
2 minutes.
Bro, I thought it's 3
We only have 1 more minute left.
Oh my god.
How much is painted this color?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a golden toilet, so slay.
Slay, girl, slay.
I'm also gonna put glass between up my head because it once the water fall, we will fall. So yeah, I'm gonna put something on top of my head so that I won't fall. Oh my gosh. Sammy, do you like my toilet?
No. Yeah.
It's creative, I know.
Oh, it's so cute.
Mine, I'm just building random stuff
Not look
until I
like
die.
toilet anime.
Alright, get ready.
No,
No, wait.
Please don't.
Wait. Can you give us
30
minute,
seconds
please?
left. 30,
Just
29, 28.
No, don't.
Oh no. Oh yes. Okay. Are you done, June? Are you done?
Yeah. I'm done.
Okay. June is done. I'm done.
I'm almost done.
All right.
Done.
If I were you, I'd put a floor in.
Yeah.
Cause yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh, anyway.
Are you done?
I'm not done. Can't you see?
All right. 10 minutes left. I mean, no. 10 seconds left. 10,
Oh, wait.
9,
Wait.
8,
Done yet.
7,
Not done, bitch.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2. If I were you, I'd get on now.
Okay, wait.
1. And there's no floor, so how can you survive?
I don't care.
Launch.
Bro, I'm not finished yet.
Yeah, me too.
I'm just building random stuff actually.
Ah, my golden toilet is shining.
I don't care.
Did Abby just create a mini house?
No.
I was about to create something.
Mia was about to create the house.
It took a while.
Okay, how is everyone doing? June, you?
I'm still okay.
Oh, I'm doing good.
Nah, I'm just laying in my bed.
I'm doing nothing.
I'm fine in my golden toilet. It's shining and it's going very fast. So hopefully I'll survive.
Oh shoot, I
It looks
fall
more green than
down.
gold.
Oh my god.
I died.
Oh, Sammy died. Abby,
I fall down.
don't move. You'll survive.
But it's okay because I have.
Get on your boat. Get on your boat.
I can. Oh my god.
Your golden toilet looks green.
Yeah. Oh, oh my. Look, I glitch.
Abby died. Oh my gosh, yeah, you did glitch. Bro, look at that. Oh, never mind. It's gone. Okay.
I'm sorry if we have technical difficulties.
June, look at June. He's just chilling.
Yeah,
Chilling.
chill.
Yes, chess piece. Yeah.
Oh no, my chest!
Oh my
Chest
god.
pieces!
Oh no. Alright.
I really died.
Sammy joined.
I just.
Yep.
Make something good, Abby.
Me, I'm just gonna make a
Rocket
lab.
ship. A lab. Alright.
Yeah, I have to join your.
Junie boy is going ahead of me. Junie boy.
Oh my god, look.
I will get there first.
And I'll get there
I'm
second.
sorry, I have to leave.
No, I'm pretty sure you'll die.
Alrighty. Wow, June is going first. How does it feel to be in
To
first
see
place?
heaven.
Bruh.
Feels good. That's why I have a throne.
Yes. Because all of the queens and kings have their thrones. Of course you should too.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I'm just building a house.
Okay, why does my toilet doesn't look like a toilet at all?
Yeah, it's not like toilets. Look like computer.
Green.
Yeah, it's green. I don't know why.
I think you made a house.
Nah, it's not a house.
Yeah.
It's just to protect myself. But I hope we survive. Hey guys, it's Jersey here. I asked the others to shut because I want you to subscribe!
Can you shut up for a sec?
Alright.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, it's me, Sammy, and don't forget to put the notification on.
Why did I die?
You died again? Oh, join our team. Did you join our team?
I.
Alright, join our team.
Of course, I joined.
You're in green team? Oh, alright, you're in green team.
Okay, so I'm just gonna.
Sammy seems sus. She's very quiet.
Nah. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Why not? We're just quiet.
Ah! Oh my gosh. I can't believe my toilet.
What happened?
I can't believe my toilet hasn't even broke one bit yet.
Flexer.
No, I'm not flexing.
Bruh, you
You're
are.
flexing.
I'm
Obviously.
not.
Yes, you are.
Oh, me and June are almost there.
Wow, that's cool.
I get 11K.
Y'all are so lucky.
I want like a house. Super happy.
Literally.
Good.
Pretty good, yeah. Is there anything you'd like to say to our beautiful fans? Straight,
Huh?
straight British. Is that British or
No, it's like
France?
It's France.
Oh, Italy. Italy, Italian accent.
Yeah. I would like.
For those who subscribe, you will get a croissant.
I think that's literally French.
Yeah.
Hey, Sammy, where did you get the
Gold.
no the door?
If I were you, I'd put some on the ground.
Yeah, wait. Just wait.
June made it.
Wow, that's cool.
I'm also making it. Yay! Good job, June. You did well.
I'm happy for you, Jun.
June made it.
That's cool.
I also made it. I'm gonna swim.
Okay, I don't care. Make love. I can hold my love.
You guys wanna make a tower together? Like I'm up Sammy and like that.
Who deleting my base?
Do you guys wanna work together?
Nah. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Oh, thank you.
Why can't I delete Sammy's stuff?
Bro, no, don't.
Fine.
Whoa, is this a house?
No, probably.
Yeah.
BRB.
Hmm. Whoa, my house looks cool. Oops. Okay. I'm kind of laggy.
Oh yeah, sorry about that. I just
Oh.
front
Oh,
flip.
why is Sky watching me? Oh, well, anyways. I'm still building.
Bro, who's deleting my base?
Not me.
Oh my god.
Uh,
Okay, wait, I have to do it again.
okay.
June, what are you doing?
What house are you building, June? Is that a house?
Sammy.
What?
What are you building?
Sammy.
What? What the heck?
Submarine. Submarine.
Wow, that looks cool.
I don't want a boat. So,
Jersey has arrived.
Anyways.
okay, I'm just gonna get some book.
Wow, everyone has such good buildings.
Hoy, uminom ka na. Bro. Okay. I'm so mad. I'm so... Oh, no!
Bro, who did
No,
that?
I did not do
I
it.
did not do that.
Get up!
Bro, I think it's
I
June.
died. June, did you do it?
No.
Not me.
I died.
I promise.
My hard work failed, bro.
I promise I did not do
I didn't
it.
even get to build something, bro.
Yeah, same.
Me too. What the fuck?
No.
Who's doing this?
Not me, promise.
I
I
promise,
promise. Not me.
Maybe there's a hacker here.
Let's build something else. Ugh.
Okay, I'm really hungry and I want a snack.
Eat the
Sammy
ocean.
will kick me.
Eat the ocean.
No, I don't wanna.
These nuts.
Bruh. After building, tan taran. Hey, my croissante! Bye bye.
Oh, bro.
Abby, get on top of me.
Bro,
No, I don't
June
want.
is still going.
Yeah. And Abby,
I almost died. I almost died.
and Abby died.
No,
Bro.
I almost died.
Abby died. How's it? How is the feel of going on?
On a trip.
The vast ocean is pretty good.
Wow, you're doing pretty good yourself. Pro gamer. You're a pro gamer.
Obviously.
Abby is late. Don't be awake.
Yeah, I really love to sleep. I'm not a morning person.
You're a night person?
Yeah,
Where?
I'm not a morning
What about
person.
you, Sammy?
I'm a night person.
See?
I'm a morning person.
We're a
That's
night
cool.
person.
How about you, June? Morning
Because
or night?
it's comfy.
I'm good.
Alright. Wow, June's almost there. How about you, Abby? Would you like to entertain the fans for us?
Sure.
Alright,
No,
what would you
wait,
like to
wait.
say?
I would like to say June is really good on the boat thing.
And June, what would you like to say to the fans? Don't forget to put that notification bell on if you haven't yet, so you'll be tuned on our next video. 1 million
No.
or 1K.
No.
What?
10 million.
Bruh.
If you subscribe more,
Yeah, that's too far. That's gonna
we're
be
gonna
hard.
punish Jersey or Cloudy.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Why me?
Yeah.
We're gonna
Nice.
dump slime on your head.
Bruh, no.
Yeah.
But we might do future vlogs. Yes.
Do it.
Okay, a little spoil. For our next video, we are going to be playing a
What?
card game. Can you guess what it is?
What card game? What do you mean?
I think it's
A card game.
We're gonna be playing a card game for the next game.
F is card game.
Oh, you'll see.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, slay.
Okay.
Okay, that's it for our today's video. What would June like to say?
June, what do you like to say?
That's the end for our video. What would June like to say?
It's the end already.
Yeah.
What do you want?
How's your first experience of being in a video?
It's okay.
Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and comment down below your username on Discord. We might add you to the fan server if you'd like. Sammy, what would you like to say to the fans?
Please subscribe and help us.
Get to 1 million.
Oh, 1,000.
Yeah.
Oh, please subscribe and put the notification bell on because I would like to dump the slime on Jersey.
And June?
What?
What would you like to say before you say goodbye to the fans? Like what
wait.
goodbye?
Sorry.
I didn't say what I said.
All right, thank you and goodbye.